Welcome back, fellow food geeks. Today we're going to make veg Hakka noodles. Now Hakka noodles are a version of noodles with vegetables which are not extremely spicy, medium spice, and they do not have chili sauce or any red colored sauce in it. To start, we are going to use 3 carrots julienne, and then we need some ginger and garlic. Ginger is half-inch piece julienne and garlic is also sliced, around 4 to 5 cloves. Then half moon shapes of the onion, slice them, 1 big onion is enough. Then 2 green chilies, these are mild chilies, I de-seeded and cut them on a slant. Then bell peppers of any color, I found orange and red, and mushrooms 100 grams. You could take green bell peppers also if you wanted. Now this is Napa cabbage, you could use any kind of cabbage, 1/4 of a cabbage, and just cut them. And this is the green and the white part of the green onion, so 3 green onions, salt and pepper to taste. Vinegar, I have taken 3 tablespoons, you can take more if you want, and soy sauce 2 tablespoons. And here we have 150 grams of raw noodles. I've cooked them in boiling water as per the packet instructions. Wash them with very cold water and oil them around with a tablespoon of oil. Do you see how they're separate? That is why we need to add the oil after washing. And these are flat noodles, these cook really well. And the last ingredient that we need is a wok, a Chinese wok. It has a handle on one side rather than having 2 holding places, and it's easy to toss this way. The difference in the Indian wok and this is the handle. Now we're going to add olive oil. I'm adding olive oil. You could add any kind of oil that you have, around 3 to 4 tablespoons. We'll let it heat up. All the cooking is going to happen on extremely high heat. Remember that Chinese cooking is a very high heat cooking. We're going to add the onion to it and the green chilies and give it a mix. Now all the vegetables that we are cooking here, we are only going to toss for around 10 to 15 seconds, barring the mushrooms, which will take around 20 to 25 seconds. Now we're going to add the ginger and garlic and move it again. Now you can stir it this way, or you could toss also with the motion of your hand, because it's easier in the wok to do it this way. You could reduce the oil amount if you want, but this will ensure that even if you eat the next day or the day after that, they'll all be separate, the noodle strands. Now I've added the carrots. Now the order of adding is according to the order of crunch. So because carrots take longer to cook, so we're adding carrot first. Now we're going to add the mushrooms, and 30 seconds, around 25 to 30 seconds of tossing with the mushrooms. Rest everything is around a 5 to 7 second window. It is extremely high heat cooking, so it doesn't really take much time. Also, if the vegetables wilt, they are going to give out a lot of water. They look soggy, they will not look appetizing, and they will not be as crunchy as the ones you find in the market. I mean, when the markets were actually open. So now we add the bell peppers, the salt and pepper according to taste, your soy sauce, your vinegar. Now I just crushed the pepper fresh, because that gives an extra oomph of taste. Now some people add some sort of a veg aromat or a mushroom seasoning or Ajinomoto. That's entirely up to you. I'm not adding any. Ajinomoto, some people say, is cancer causing, and there's some studies which say they're not, so I don't know what to believe. And now here I'm adding the noodles and give it a quick toss. You can add any vegetables that you want. You want to add broccoli, tofu, green capsicum, anything. Now we're going to add the cabbage along with the green part of the onion. The white part we've added in before. Now we're just going to give it a toss. A final toss, and this is ready to serve. So give me a like if you like the recipe. It's really quick. All it involves is a little mise en place, that is preparation in the beginning, and the actual making of the dish is less than 5 minutes. So serve it. It is wonderful to have. It has all the taste of street food in India. We have Hakka noodles and even in restaurants, but it is absolutely hygienic, well made with a lot of veggies because it's made at home, so it's very, very nutritious. So go ahead, give this a try. Comment down below what else do you want to learn. If there are any questions about this, let me know of those. And give me a like, subscribe, share. You know the drill, right? And of course, press the bell notification, because there's a whole lot of goodness and deliciousness where this came from. So I'll catch you later. Have a wonderful day. Bye.